Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: wheel locks, perimeter alarm, backup camera, trip computer, first aid kit, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, carpeted floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.